Hi, it's Andy Holt, Chairman of Accrington Stanley. What a day, probably my best day ever at Accrington Stanley. We've got 1,200 kids here, fantastic, can't hear yourself think at the minute. And it's all part of phase 2 of what we're doing at Accrington Stanley. We've got the club on a sound footing now. Now it's about taking it back into the community, building its longer term roots. And this day makes me immensely proud. Just a big shout out to Pilkington's buses, Cranberry coaches and moving people who have gone all around the town, donated the time, the effort, the fuel, the drivers, you name it, and helped us pull this day off. I have to give a mention to Murray Dawson, who's brought it all together, and it's not easy. Having said that, I had the most difficult job getting the players out of the changing rooms.
I'm Martin Fearon, I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Accrington Stanley Community Trust. We're delighted to be here today. We're sponsoring 1,200 shirts that are going out to every year for each child in Hindburn. There's 1,200 kids, most of them are arriving here behind me now, plus 200 teachers, and we hope that we're going to have a really good day.
So there's 38 schools turned up today, many children. I'd like to say thanks to everybody that's organised it, the teachers, the headmasters, headmistresses that made it all happen, and it's going to be a fantastic day for them, and it's a fantastic day for Accrington Stanley.
I'm David Wellesby and I'm Chief Executive at Hindburn Council. What a fabulous day for the town. We're here to give our support to the club. Brilliant to see this new generation of fans coming in. Let's get behind Stanley as they push for promotion.
Councillor Miles Parkinson, leader of Hindburn Borough Council. It's a pleasure to be at this fantastic day at Accrington Stanley Football Club, giving these free t-shirts away to Year 8, and such a wonderful way to promote the club and community engagement in a healthy lifestyle. And let's hope the club get up into Division 1 next season.